What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Vibes, and I'm back with another video. Okay, period. I am starting on freshly washed natural 4C hair. If you don't know what that is, it just means you got the real kinky afro type of natural hair. I just put a rinse in my hair before I did this video, so that's why it's bleeding. I've been red since I had my baby. I had my baby December 15, 2021. So I probably dyed it, bleached it red back in January. And I feel like I got a lot of new growth ever since then. And I've been taking care of my hair and all that. So let's see how it's gonna be in another year or whatsoever. So right now I'm just going through and I'm blowing out my hair with a blow dryer because boo. If you want to do a sleek style, you got to blow it out. You just got to. You got to blow it out so it can be as straight as possible. That's just what it's just what you got to do. So now y'all see I went from matted to blue now. Okay, my hair looking real good, real smooth, period. Most hair in the world goes to me. Anyways, okay, so now that I blew it out, I decided not to show y'all how to mold it up in the ponytail on the camera because, come on now, it's 2022. I'm pretty sure we all know how to do that. So I already went ahead and molded my hair off camera in a high ponytail because this is a Genie, so I wanted it up high. I put the rubber bands on there because you know sometimes when you do your high ponytails, it don't got that tree stump look. That's because you gotta sit there and wrap these rubber bands around just like that. Wrap the rubber bands around to get that Genie look in the bottom. Okay. I caught myself trying to hit my edges with the hot comb, but best believe I don't do heat, baby girl, so I might as well shouldn't have picked up the hot combs. You see that? Burnt myself right there, put it back down. My favorite part of the hairstyle is the edges. I do bust those down. I tried to hit it with the hot comb, then I suck it all down with the edge control, and now just style and go. Just style and go how you want, okay? Nothing to it, just do what you like. I like them big, everything big, big money, big bands, big life. So I need my baby hairs nice, big, and smooth. So that's what I'm going for. Big baby hairs. If y'all want a baby hair tutorial, baby girl, that's a whole nother ball game. Let me know and I'm gonna just drop it down there too, okay? So, like I said, just swoop your baby hairs, make them real pretty. Should I tell y'all what edge control I use? I guess that's another video. Let me know if y'all want to know what edge control I use. That's gonna be another video. Okay, baby, that's the power of promotion. You gotta make them wait for that. Then after all that's done, I go ahead and swoop my black strap around the base of the ponytail. That just keeps like the glue off of your real hair. Cause ain't nobody got time to be trying to take glue off. I mean, I could do it easy because I really do hair, but ain't nobody got time for that. So I like to wrap my track all the way at the top. Because you know sometimes when you do high ponytails, if you don't put that track right where I started it at, you're gonna have a big hole in your hair and you're gonna see through it. And we ain't got time for that, so just do what you see right there. That's all you gotta do. Once you're done, you know, you take a nice little thin piece of hair, wrap that thing around that base to give you that nice little finished look or whatever. You see what we're doing. And it's just like that. After I wrap it, I also spread it again and blow dry while it's in place just to make sure it's secure because I hate for that to come apart. It happened to me before, it definitely could happen. So make sure you secure that, and sometimes I even like to take my edge brush and brush around it to make sure it's even more secure. Anyways, yeah, see how the ponytail comes together. Simple, cute, gotta go see Bay at the gym, you know how that go. Okay, I had to do this real cute, and he loved it, bust it down. There go the lace bands. I am Touch Stylist, y'all already know who I am. Lace bands is not just for lace, it's for edges too. Working out, sleeping, long lasting, I better get them because you most definitely need it. It's Touch Stylist, baby, Touch Stylist collection. Ain't nobody lace bands as cute as mine, okay? Anyways, I doubled that down because I really want my edges to last. Feeling myself, you know how to be. Ooh. And this is the finished result. Real pretty, real simple ponytails, only about $10, something real cheap. Quick little updo, you know how that goes. Feeling myself. Look at the baby hairs. Okay. I hope you learned something today from this real quick video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and comment down below your favorite part. Make sure you go to the beauty supply today and try this hairstyle because we definitely just busted down. It's Vibes and I'm out. Alright then.